Hello guys, Best Review for You team is back again with another review on Graphics Creation Workshop. Firstly, we will look at the what do we cover inside the course workshop. Then who mainly need this workshop. The things you will need before taking the Graphics Creation Workshop. Also some bonus that comes with this package. And the exclusive bonus that I am going to offer you. Who mainly need this workshop. Artist, authors, graphics designers, KDP self-publishers, low-content book creators, coloring book creators, graphics hack makers and sellers, affiliate marketers, print on demand, ETSY sellers, book creators. The things you will need before taking the Graphics Creation Workshop. There are a couple of free parts here and one paid tool you will need. Ink SCAPE, free download. Photoshop for coloring, paid. Or you can use another tool if you know how to doing the coloring parts yourself. Your own drawings, free, but you'll need drawing paper, pencils and rubbers. You'll also need a way to take pictures of your drawings and upload them onto your computer. E.g., phone, scanner, camera. You may be able to use a photocopy too, to upload your drawings. I wanted to be totally honest here, and let you know that you'll need an extra paid tool before you buy into my course workshop. I have been there myself when you buy into something, and then find out you need to spend more money on more tools, just to be able to do it. Photoshop CS6 is the one I use and the one I recommend, so you can follow along without any confusion. I want to make it easy for you to purchase this workshop today. But before I get to the cost of the workshop, I want to make it a no-brainer you cannot refuse. So, how about some cool bonuses? Bonus number 1, Elephone Elephants Graphics Pack. Bonus number 2, Elephone Elephants Accessories Pack. Bonus number 3, Elephone Elephants Color by Numbers Pack. Bonus number 4, Elephone Elephants Plus Accessories Packs Colorized Packs. Bonus number 5, Sea Animals Graphics Pack. Bonus number 6, Sea Animals Coloring Pack. Bonus number 7, 40 Sea Background Pack. Bonus number 8, 20 Sea Backgrounds Colorized Pack. Bonus number 9, 20 Dragons Pack. Wow, what a bunch of bonuses you'll be getting here. I'll be throwing in these bonus packs, just so you can see all the work that goes into the creations you could be creating for yourself. Lastly, these are the bonuses that I have to offer you. These are worth more than $4,000 that I am giving you for free. The only condition is that you have to purchase the product through the link given below in the description, and after the purchase send an email with a screenshot of your purchase on our email, which you will find in description below. Have a look at the bonuses. These are not the 1 or 2 bonuses or 3 simple bonus, but in total I am offering you 21 bonuses. This definitely will help you if you are a content creator or an affiliate marketer, or even if you run a digital marketing agency. So here is the review from the Best Review for You team. If you liked the video, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to check the description below.